Welcome to my channel and welcome to this new Photoshop tutorial video, and in this video I will teach you about the art of blending photos in Adobe Photoshop so you can be the master of this art in Photoshop just like a pro. So you can open an image, like you can see I have opened an image of a ship is running in the sea, and next image we can go to file and place embedded. Like this fish image I will decrease the size from this anchor point. Just press and hold Alt key and decrease or increase, and from here we will rotate it like you can see here. So I will place it in any area of the image. Now we will go to the background layer and we will unlock this layer. Now press and hold Control key, and if you are using a Mac then you will press and hold Command key. So select both layers. Now if you go to edit option and will try to apply auto blend layers, because this is about the blending photos in Photoshop video. So you can see auto blend layers is not enabled, it's not clickable because both layers are not rasterized yet. So we have selected the layers, go to layer option and rasterize and just click on all layers. So the all layers in your document will be rasterized. So once the layers has been rasterized, now you go to edit option and here you can see auto blend layers option is now clickable. So you can click, and there are two options of blending. One is panorama and the second is stack images. So we will select stack images. Other two options will remain enabled, like seamless tones and colors and content aware fill transparent areas. So just click on OK and it will create seamless compositions, and you can see incredibly, you can see we have learned the blending photos in Photoshop, how Photoshop beautifully can blend these images, and see it looks amazing. So like this you can master the art of blending photos in Photoshop. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please share the video with your friends so they can learn and increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.